Good morning, good afternoon, bon dia everyone. Connor Fermender here with Ocean Builders. Another update for you on our 3D coral project. Really excited for this morning's update. So Ariana, right behind me, I'm going to show you her in a second. She's working on mixing some of the first testing clay, mixing it with like different weights of ethanol to it basically would it's going to help make the mixture of the clay more printable, to just simplify. No reason to complicate it. Just adding the alcohol, the ethanol, or water even, really dilutes the weight of the clay, so it makes it a lot more printable. I'll just use that word, printable. So let's check her out. Let's see what she's got going on. How's it coming?
Good. It's 12% liquid, 6% ethanol, 6% water.
Are you going to do both?
What?
You're going to do both? Both tubes?
No,
Or just the one side? Okay, nice. Awesome. Is the whole brick is in there? The whole one brick? Nice. And then over here we have the kiln. The kiln is underway. It's starting to take shape. We're very excited.